Hi guys, and welcome to this random tutorial. I mean, we're all in quarantine right now, and I thought, why not serve some really cool, like old school, like 1995, 96 vibes? I don't know. You know, with the glittery, oh my god, I can't even say that word, glittery, brownish lips. Everything was brown, everything. So that's what I'm trying to do. So I am just putting some foundation on. I've been using this foundation from Neutrogena. It's honestly probably my new favorite drugstore foundation ever. Makes your skin look like skin. There's SPF in it, and it just like makes my skin look flawless. I could not believe it when I first put this foundation on. I was like, okay, they got them a keeper because I'm gonna keep buying this. It's just amazing. So after this, I'm going to move on to concealer. As always, I just pat in my foundation for a smoother finish with a damp beauty sponge. And also, I am taking this concealer by Maybelline. It's just the Fit Me concealer. Love this concealer. It's an oldie but a goodie, and I use it all the time. Covers a decent amount, even though I have been getting a little bit more sleep these days since we've been inside. So yeah, I'm just going to carve out my eyebrows. I will be showing you guys how I fill in my eyebrows. After this, I feel like my light setup was so weird this day because it was raining a lot. So my lights were only bringing out certain colors, and a few of this, you'll see like only certain colors will pop in this tutorial. It's pretty annoying, but so that's my skin. I'm taking the Airspun powder to bake and also to set everything in place. Like my makeup came out, like the smoothness of my foundation came out so good. I can never get that when I'm going out. It's like I'm just staying home, and of course I'm having a really great foundation day that I haven't had in months. You know what I mean? So I just think that's funny. Like when you have nowhere to go, your makeup is just comes out really good. Anyways, I'm just taking the Wet n Wild. This is like an ash blonde pencil, and I just kind of fill in those sparse areas in my eyebrows. I love this pencil. It was like $2. It's really great. Just to get your eyebrows a little bit more symmetrical. When I just use eyeshadow alone, I feel like my eyebrows look wonky. So I am taking a lighter sienna color. And this is where the colors started looking a little weird. Like I used literally the same eyeshadow, and like one eyebrow looks slightly a little more like burnt orange. I don't know why, but it's because my face was facing towards the area of light in one eyebrow, and then I don't know. I'm just using this Peachy Queen palette. It's called I'll Be There For You. And I'm using Frankie Say Relax for the eyeshadow. It's based off of Friends. So that's a 90s show. Had to go with it. And I feel like this palette and this cosmetic company is very underrated. So yeah, I'm really impressed with it. This entire video is not sponsored at all. So just putting that out there because I know that changes the direction for things. Anyways, now I'm taking Central Perk, and it's just a chocolate brown color right here, and kind of just lining my lash line. I get a lot of comments on this because I've done this before with black eyeshadow, and people have expressed their concern about eyeshadow moving and whatnot, but no, my eyeshadow stays in place it stays in place all day with it just being eyeshadow, not liquid eyeliner. I feel like unless your eyes are extremely oily, then I mean, you wouldn't have that problem. You can always prime your lids to keep the eyeshadow on. After that, I'm sweeping away the bake and just putting a little bit more of that Central Perk on my lower lash line. I am wearing gray lenses. I can't remember where they're from. Oh, they're from Pretty Fabulous. I just felt like it made the look more 90s. I mean, trust me, when I took out the blue contacts and with my brown eyes popped. Like, it looked great either way. I just wore the blue contacts to kind of change it up on my channel and not do something I've done several times. But yeah, now I'm just coating my lashes with some mascara. And then I'm going to be putting blush and tanner on, which is, I'm just taking the Hoola Benefit Bronzer and just putting this on my cheeks and on my temples of my forehead. And then I'm just going to take my Gorgeous Cosmetics blush palette and take this orange blush right here, giving myself kind of a warm glow. Like, this is I just love this look. And I wish I went out for this look, but I stayed home and took lots of pictures, so I guess that counts for something. Anyways, now I'm taking the Soft Touch Ardell lashes to give this look a little bit more flair. I just feel like this tied the whole thing, and this has become my favorite look ever now. I'm taking Strip Down, which is a nudish brown lip liner from MAC. perfect for the 90s inspired look. This is a very mid-90s look. I've been watching a lot of 90210. I've been inspired by their lip colors, and I will be doing some 90210 looks, guys, so keep that in mind. But this is just kind of like a teaser to like those 90210 looks with the metallic lips and everything. So I'm just taking Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick, and this is in the color called Beaming. My new favorite liquid lip ever. I absolutely love it. I will be using this a lot for this look because this look is just, I fell in love with it. Look at it. It's just a very pretty look. My hair was wet at the time because I'm going to be showing you guys a tutorial for Flippy hair. And that is the makeup. Yes, I was feeling myself. Okay, so this is, I'm using this blow dryer, like it's a blow dryer brush for a salon blowout at home pretty much. And this is from FOXYBAE. I think I've mentioned FOXYBAE a few times on this channel. This is not sponsored, but I'm just using this tool because I wanted to, and I'm going to wear extensions later, which I wanted to just get a fluffy look, and so the extensions can clink on a little bit better. But this salon airbrush tool, which it gives you like a salon blowout, well, it's not a salon tool, but pretty much salon quality. I said salon 40 times, take a shot. Anyways, yeah, this just gives you a blowout at home. I have a coupon code with FOXYBAE too in case you guys are interested in any of their products. It is Foxy Nicole, and you'll receive 60% off your order. So if you've been looking for something like this, it's good to kind of look for something like this, but also have a coupon code to save yourself some money. So yeah, I'm just doing this all over my head, and soon I'm going to be putting in my extensions in so I can have that really big like hair. And this definitely helped give me that really fluffy hair. I cannot do this with just blow drying my hair and then straightening it out. And I'm just blow drying it all out, and yeah, it's going to give me a lot of volume. Once I'm done, my hair would look very fluffy, so I'm going to add these extensions by Amazing Beauty Hair. And their products are amazing. I'm using a set of extensions, and this is the 2-clip right here. I custom dyed them. They're a little bit brighter. My hair is a bit faded, but yeah, it provides a lot of hair, and I'm able to have a really thick look to this look. I said look a million times too, but yeah, I love these extensions because they're very soft and they're easy to style, and I don't have a hard time with them. I really love clip-in extensions, and they're Amazing Beauty hair products. Just are outstanding quality. I dyed these, I put them through it, and they're still really soft and not fried, and they just gave my hair so much volume. I took a lot of pictures, guys, and my hair looks so pretty with these extensions after I styled it and fluffed it out. That is this look. I hope you guys enjoyed this. All links to Amazing Beauty hair extensions will be down below, as far as other coupon codes and links to anything else. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.